Yo, what's up guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Day check tayo, Saturday. It's currently, what time is it? 8:08. Woo! 8:08 in the morning. Pasok na tayo guys. So medyo maaga call time natin today. Actually si Bomac TV, si George, tsaka si Mr. Sarap Vlogs, I think ang call time nila actually is 8:15. So I'm sure nasa work na sila. Tayo on the way pa lang kasi 8:45 tayo today. Medyo sobrang busy kami today. Marami kaming guest. And I think yung vlog natin pa uwi na ito mamayang gabi is it's either sunset or gabi na. So samahan nyo muna kami today. Well, ako muna papasok and then pauwi. Hopefully marami-rami na tayo. We're gonna have to take a detour kasi yung freeway sinarado na naman nila dun sa construction malapit sa stadium. This is our third day riding for the week. Kahit medyo tumaas yung temperature, kahapon actually 104. Today the highest will be 102. Pero it doesn't matter today kasi pag lumabas nga kami, sigurado baksak na yung araw. Paggabi na. Scooters ba yan? Parang scooter yung mga yan ah. Parang malalaking scooter. Tuloy na. May 85 din sila. Siguro mga 400cc na scooters to mga to. Has to be. Bergman. So we have to figure out a way pauwi ng bahay tonight. Baka kunin na lang namin yung Vespa route pagka nag-work kami gamit yung mga Vespa. Yan ang ginagawa nila, ini-espalto yung freeway. Adventure oh, Harley Davidson bros. Miles from my house to work. 50 miles round trip tayo every day. So sobrang lakas natin mag-stock up ng miles. Gano'n na ba kalayo yung 50 miles sa Pilipinas? Ilang kilometers pa yun? Kasi na yung kasabay nating adventure bike na Harley. Mukhang i-exit din siya. Punta siya ng south. Alright, we made it. Nandito na tayo sa work. Entry code. Okay, sino ang nag-ride today? Yun, no? Si Georgie, Bomac TV. Let's go. Woohoo! We made it, guys. Okay, clock in na tayo. Trabaho muna. It's gonna be a long one today for sure. But we'll see you guys tonight, okay? Peace. Ay, uwian na. There's a party here and we're not invited. Tignan nyo guys, oh. Bukas yung track lights. Madaming tao. Bahala na sila dyan. Kami uwi na. Gabi na. May mga food truck. I think this is catering. We took care of 400 plus customers today. It was insane. Hola!
What's up, Black?
So George, are you gonna behave tonight?
Makalimutan may saksak yung ano.
Tinanggal ko para marinig kayo eh. Pero thank you.
Uwi na guys!
Uwi na.
Uwi na!
Searching for group. Grouping succeeded. 2 group members connected.
Ah, the fog lights? That's cute!
Okay, so do you guys wait for me to open up the door, right?
Yeah.
Oh! You're welcome.
Go ahead, George, I'll stay in the back.
58, 58.
58?
Clear so far. This one's slow.
No more sun, no more sun.
This guy is dead. Come on, broski.
Sunset. Perfect timing. Time check 6:50. 6:50 PM. Madilim na. Nung summer alas 8, maliwanag pa.
Now
What?
it's dark already.
Kaya
Hey, can you make the blog? Can you put subtitles, please?
Work there. Go ahead.
Yeah, 58 my ass.
well, I gotta go with the traffic, man. It's gonna be too slow.
Just a heads up, I don't have a wallet, so don't make me show my IDs.
You don't have a wallet?
Oh,
No wonder you wanted to go slow.
that's when you get caught, because you know you're under the radar. No.
What radar?
We have to go to 15, huh?
I guess, yeah, it's
Yeah.
closed.
Son of a bitch.
I know.
Come on.
I guess
pull
you're
to
clear,
the
I
right.
guess you're clear.
Come on, Bomac, one more. God damn it. Been over there.
I'm still gonna go to 215.
Ah,
Unless that's Russell.
Oh, what do we suggest now?
Okay.
They're gonna go.
What we can do?
it's still
Yeah.
it still went to the same place. Either way.
It's like that John Bon Jovi song, Fuck My Life. Do I go around or what?
I don't know, man. It's
Come
not.
on, come on, come on, come on. Come here, come here, come here.
Okay, but you're gonna go around to where?
We'll see.
At least take the right side. You don't have to squeeze your ass between cars. Going there anyways. There you go. You get pulled over, you start with officer, see, whatever. God damn it.
Hold on.
Sige, go ahead. I'm still here.
He's behind.
Oh, pasok Mac. Kanan.
I don't know where we're going.
Go ahead, Mike.
Do we go right, left?
Go straight.
Go straight. Just go straight. Follow the traffic. It's gonna take us back to 15.
If it's like that, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
So do we stay on the outside or weave between
Stay here for
cars?
now. Stay here for now, and then go in between where it's about to merge. Just watch out because they're moving left now. We're gonna go middle.
We're almost in the clear. Go, 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 go. There's nothing.
All the way
There's-
left.
So, on George.
That's the truck, boy. Happened to 58.
we want to hit VTEC, bro.
Assholes.
Ah, that felt good. Damn, my bike is hot. Holy shit.
205.
205, yeah.
105, yes, boys.
Go ahead, Georgie.
I'm trying, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Gotta give me a toe, give me a push, give me a something.
Damn, why is it so hot?
104 here, man.
Yeah, shit. There's no more sun. The Ducati is hot too. Shit.
This is the heart of the city. It's where the heartbeat is.
Oh, it's so hot.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have reached officially 10,000 miles on my dash.
Oh, damn.
I have a 1 and 4 zeros. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
The results are in.
Congratulations on using your bike.
Yeah.
10,000 miles, one car wash.
Complimentary. That's what friends are for.
Oh, shit. Don't say.
Keep walking.
Keep walking.
It's okay to cut left.
We have company.
Who's the company? There's a police?
Is it?
Bikes. No.
How many bikes?
2 bikes trying to haul that.
Yeah.
Mikey, they're coming.
Okay.
Oh, coming to mga people. Panigale, man.
It's Panigels?
Yes, sir.
Man, they're lucky our friend doesn't have his R1.
Oh, shit.
Oh, there's a... Oh, what was that? Watch out for that.
Garbage.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're good, you're good.
Okay.
Bye, Georgie.
Night night, boys.
Good
Thank
night.
you for today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, babay ka na.
Bye, guys. We'll see you maybe tomorrow on the vlog.
See you on the vlog. No pickleball tonight o lalaro kayo?
Ano?
Lalaro kayo?
Ay, hindi ko alam eh. Parang pupunta kayo siya, di ba? Punta kayo sa...
I think so. Alas 8 palabas si Jessica eh.
Ano sa pala?
Oo.
Next tayo mamaya.
Okay daw. Okay.
Decision. Bye!
Pas.
Group connection lost.
Alright guys, that concludes our ride for today. Ride to work na naman. Paulit-ulit. Pasensya na kayo guys. Wala kasi kaming ibang ginagawa ngayon kundi magtrabaho at mag-pickleball. Kaya dun sa mga taong that's still watching and still supporting our channel, maraming salamat po. Again, like I said on the last vlog, that it's gonna be warm this coming few days, and ito na nga yun. Right now, it's reading 102 dito malapit sa bahay. Kanina, dun sa strip, nag 105 yata. It's still pretty hot. Dito na rin ako magpapaalam sa inyo. Again, I just want to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one, okay? Maraming salamat. Oh, madumi ba yan? Oh, we'll see you guys na lang sa susunod na episode, okay? God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.